Our second applicant is...
Kevin Woodford.
Your job, please.
Concierge, Mandarin Oriental, Hong Kong.
Essential.
Ability to multitask, diplomacy, at least one other language.
And salary?
£230 per week, plus tips, which could be up to £1,000.
Applicant accepted.
Hong Kong, a city that is home to some of the best hotels in the world, and reputedly, best of the best is the Mandarin Oriental. Their standards are exacting and their customers demand top quality service.
Good morning. Very well, thank you.
Hello, Kevin.
Giovanni?
Welcome to Mandarin. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Today you're going to go around, learn the place where people can...
Giovanni Valenti, the Chef Concierge, has suggested that I first familiarise myself with the hotel and get to know the staff. Having just arrived with jet lag, I was rather hoping for some sleep.
Very well. Hi, my name's Kevin. I've come over to train as a concierge. So today I become a concierge, Giovanni.
Before we start, I wish at work you could call me Mr. Valenti.
So it's formal. It's Mr. Valenti.
If you don't mind, yeah.
No, you're the boss.
Correct.
What's the very first thing that I'm going to do today, and what's my first job?
You would do like everybody else. You would start as porter first.
Carrying things?
Sure.
Bags?
Yes. Anything.
I thought there was somebody else would do that. Wouldn't I just tell somebody to...
I beg your pardon? What is wrong with carrying luggage? I did. Why shouldn't you?
I have the feeling that Giovanni's going to be a hard taskmaster.
Up to the desk, please. Kevin, shake, please.
Engage. 16.
Right.
Hello, Mr.
Just there again. Thanks very much. Bye.
Wrong way. Okay, so that's that done. We call the lift now?
Kevin, are you dreaming?
Oh, sorry. To be honest, I was miles away. Let me tell you, if I can. May I? May I?
It is quite reasonable, yes.
It is reasonable, right. I am dreaming. I got up very early this morning. I don't know if it's jet lag or whatever, but I was up at 5 o'clock.
Right.
And I was going through the map of the area and logging what I'd seen yesterday. Because I thought I was coming down today to work behind the desk.
Terribly sorry, but...
And so I was doing my revision, so I'm tired now.
I know I feel sorry for you, but, you know, before you go to reach that point,
I can understand.
you have to go through
a
few steps.
Yeah. I just didn't expect it.
No, well, it's never too late to learn.
No, I know. No.
I accept your excuse anyway.
Thank you.
He looks rather promising, capable of doing his job. The negative point, he uses always his hand, puts his hand on the pocket. He's quite casual. And funny enough, I mean, I know he's not very experienced, but when he carries the luggage, he really looks like a penguin.
Next morning, I'm off duty, but no time to relax. Mr. Valenti expects me to be familiar with Hong Kong before he'll let me be a concierge. After all, a guest may ask for directions. It's a complicated city, and there's an awful lot to take in. Then it's back to the hotel so that Mr. Valenti can decide if I'm up to it yet.
This is the Mandarin Oriental Hotel, very prestigious hotel. Your position is going to be extremely important. Please do not forget smiling.
Good afternoon, madam.
Do not stop me at the column.
Right.
Put that down. I'd like
Bring him down.
no,
Go on, get out.
See, look at this. What is he doing?
Did I do that? No. Stop to the pillar. Pleasure, madam. Absolutely delighted. Some people don't even speak to you.
to lose. Irresponsible.
reward for slouching was another 2 hours on the door.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
Yeah, I love this job.
Good evening, sir. Good evening.
Morning off again, and the last chance to improve my knowledge. Today, I'm checking out the timetable of the Star Ferry to Kowloon.
It's strange in that I rather expected that by now I'd have got on the desk, which is the key job, and that appeals to me enormously. And it hasn't happened, and I rather suspect it might not.
Well, I'll soon know when I get back to the hotel and meet Mr. Valenti, who, as ever, has one or two things to share with me.
Promising. Very good. You are really willing to do your job nicely. I was very astonished how quickly you really learned the job. Now, I give you also the negative point. You look a little bit smart.
Smug.
Yes, correct. At the end of your day, you are really leaning against the door. I think that professional people don't do it. I mean, either you do your job properly, or you just give up.
Yep.
But because of your performance, I'm going to let you stay behind.
Oh, really? Oh, brilliant. Thank you. I appreciate it. I shall really do my best, I promise. Thank you.
Welcome to the concierge desk.
Thank you.
I do hope you're going to do something exceptional. I show you around. I introduce to the boys first. Eric. This is Kevin.
Hi, good afternoon. Nice to meet you.
And you, Eric.
This is our book. This is like a Bible. That's computer information for tours, Macau tour, China tour, Hong Kong Island tour, water tours. Here.
Asmund. Sorry, right, yes.
Please do take everything more seriously.
I will do, I promise. I promise.
Thanks. Anyway, I shall be here watching you. Okay, good luck. Please go ahead.
Yep.
Concierge, good afternoon. Can I help you?
Concierge, good afternoon. Can I help you? Oh, just for a moment, I'll transfer.
Everyone on this desk speaks at least 2 languages. Me, I struggle with English.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Bonjour, est-ce que vous parlez français?
I'm afraid not, no. Just English, sir.
Vous parlez pas français?
I can get somebody who speaks French straight away.
Vous ne parlez pas français?
Non.
Et vous travaillez au Mandarin?
I'm afraid
C'est inadmissible. Qu'est-ce que c'est que ces façons?
Excusez-moi, monsieur.
Oui?
Est-ce que je peux vous aider?
Oui, je dois me rendre à Kowloon. J'ai un rendez-vous important. Je voudrais savoir quel est le moyen le plus rapide pour me rendre à Kowloon. Et quel est le numéro des stations, quel est le nom des stations?
Oui, juste calmez-vous. Calmez-vous.
Écoutez, quelle est la première station de Kowloon?
Simsatsui.
Simsasol.
Voilà.
Ok. Merci.
Je vous en prie.
Au revoir, monsieur.
Cheers, sir. Thank you. However much money you get paid, isn't it? No. You don't get paid enough.
You're perspiring, yeah?
I am perspiring.
I told you it's not an easy job. You have to be very confident. Can I have a tissue for the gentleman?
Thank you.
Would you mind going in the back, please?
You want me to get in the
Please. It's nice and long.
He is an extremely demanding guy, and he's intimidating. And the guy has standards, and he's insisting upon them being maintained. And but that really piles pressure on when somebody watching it constantly, and everything that you do, even if it's wiping your brow, there's a place to do it.
I need some help. What I'd like to do is send 1,000 roses to my fiancée.
Oh, that's really sweet. Right. And where is she?
I've just gotten engaged. We're in room 620. Thank you very much. Room 620.
Ready?
The name is Kitamura. They need to be in the room by 11 a.m.
11 a.m.
Yeah.
They'll be there. Red.
Red, yes. Red rose.
Take it as done, sir.
Okay.
Leave it with me.
Thanks, Captain.
My pleasure. I need help. So is there an internal message system that I do now so that somebody goes down and gets these?
No, we'll see it tomorrow morning, and then you will be available anyway.
So I do it.
Good luck.
And how long is it to the market in the van?
From here and there, it might take a half an hour because it's in Kowloon.
Really?
At least, yeah. That's why I thought you were coming here 8 o'clock.
8:15.
No. Oh, sorry. I forgot.
I'd have come at 8 o'clock if
I was here 8 o'clock.
I'd have come at 7 o'clock. I wouldn't have had a problem. But
Okay. Never mind.
Local market, I thought would be 5 minutes away. To get to Kowloon, is this the worst the traffic's going to be? Or is it going to get worse than this? Every 30 yards there's a traffic light, for goodness sake. Took an hour. Unbelievable. Okay, Roy, let's go. I want 1,000 roses.
1,000.
And I want them within 5 minutes. Oh, no, honestly. And we'll pay.
I know, but I need the time to find for you.
Can you do it in 10 minutes and I'll give you a big tip? Huge
now
tip.
I get in here.
Brilliant. Let's do it. Let's just do it. Fabulous. Why is she buying the flowers? Why don't we just get all the flowers from here and then go on to the next shop and buy all the flowers from there? Is that not quicker? Thanks a lot, Roy. How many roses, red roses? Oh, behave. Behave.
No.
And then the shopkeeper returned with the roses. Lovely. How many's there?
I think I'll be 1,000.
Right. Can you phone housekeeping?
Yeah.
And phone the housekeeping. Let them know that we're there in 15 minutes to be ready for us at the back door. Got them all? 16. Thankfully, housekeeping were ready for me, but the journey had taken far longer than I'd expected, and time was running out. You've got 8 minutes, 7 minutes.
8 minutes?
No, 7, not 8.
I'm going to the flowers already.
Anywhere, any vases, yeah?
Anywhere.
I must say, congratulations.
Oh, thank you.
Wow.
I've got the biggest headache I've ever had in my life.
You surprised me again.
Thank you, sir.
Are we ready?
Yeah, ready to roll. Should we go?
Okay.
The agreement that I gave the gentleman is that the flowers would actually be in the room.
Exactly. So
Right. They wouldn't be in the corridor or on the trolley.
Yeah,
They would be in the room, and they'd look beautiful,
Exactly.
you know, because it's a special occasion, you know. It's not a funeral. Come on, the way.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, well, here we are.
Watch your head.
Beautiful.
Right, let's get out of here. Ground floor, please. Thank you. Yeah, please. That was an amazing exercise, and the frustrations of actually getting it done were just unbelievable.
Thank you.
Mr. Valenti.
Hi.
Did it?
Congratulations.
Thank
well
you.
done. I'm really impressed.
Thank you.
Very, very impressed.
It's quite a challenge, realistically. And don't pull any punches because you haven't as yet. Do I have the ability to become a great concierge?
You will. You could. You have it. But it wouldn't be today. It's a lot of experience. Congratulations.
No, I enjoyed myself.
Next week's applicant, Monty Don, is a tour rep on the Greek island of Crete, but it's not all plain sailing when he goes to the airport to collect his guests.
I know they've all died of a mysterious illness on the plane. And all my particular customers are now corpses.
Will he find them in time? And will he live up to their expectations? Find out next week on Fasten Your Seatbelt.
Sanjay and Geeta continue with their secret problem, but it's all bound to spill out. EastEnders, next on BBC One.
A film star is found dead.